Okay everyone, so the mailman has just been and it is time to, I already ripped the top off, open my nuraloop headphones. So we'll get rid of that. We will okay. Tear off the plastic. So I'm just trying to think when I ordered these and when was it? Going back, free shipping, less than 24 hours. So the 11th of June 2019, so 11 months ago. Today is the 18th of May 2020. So yeah, pretty much 11 months, almost to the day, from ordering these suckers to delivery. So let's peel off this nice little thing on the side there. Get rid of that. Right, there we go. How's that? There they are in there. And zoom in. Oh yeah. Quite a nice little box. A very suspicious little ribbon here, so we'll have to see what that is. Doesn't seem to be anything. Okay, what's this here? Little arrow. Aha. Okay. 1. Push. Push. You see that? Push. Guess I'm pushing those out there. 2. Pull. I don't know if that's quite really. How about I just do this? Pull. So there you have them. Get rid of that little baby. So inside, I'll give you a close up. Two headphones there. Not too sure if it's focusing properly. Am I too close maybe? Yeah. And this little funny doobie here with little copper bits and Neura for nuraloop. Now I had seen the Neura headphones before and had read how amazing they were and that they were Australian, and but I just thought, I know they look amazing, but okay, see, can you see there? Analog cable down here, charging cable. Yeah, so, and I sort of thought, I don't know if I can wear the big cans on my head, despite how amazing the sound would be. So I just sort of kept it in the back of my mind and thought, oh well, I don't know, I probably won't ever bother to get something with such amazing sound. There's the back of the box. And then I'd subscribed to their junk mail, and then basically when they advertised these or said that these were coming, I thought, why not? As you can see, these are my previous Apple iPhone headphones that I've been using for my various iPhones for the last, I don't know what it is, 9 years, 10 years. So it's time to get something better. Now let's just read what this says. If you can you read it? Is it too glary? How's that? Personalized sound, active noise cancellation, Bluetooth, wireless, unwired, touch dials. Oh, I did know that. Social mode, sweat resistant, that'll mean I'll have to exercise, and 16 plus hour battery life. So it'll be interesting to see how that goes. Here, oh, look at this, behind this trapdoor, a beautiful little case. Now, as you all know, it's COVID-19 season around the world, even in Australia. So I guess one day, should I ever be able to travel on a plane again and head off to Indonesia or to Europe, I'll have a nice little case to put my headphones in. Put that there. Quite nice. Nothing else in there. And then here, can you see that in the bottom there? Here's my little headphone sizes: small, large, oh, extra large. Guess you got a really big buff head or massive ears. And ear tip mesh. No idea what that means. Does that mean there's no medium? Or maybe the mediums are on there already. Oh yeah, there's some on there. Okay. I don't know what, my ears will probably be medium, I think. So let's get out the charging cable. See what we've got. Now I should read the instructions. So it says here, download the Neura app, which I've already done. Put on your nuraloop, remove all cables and listen for prompts. Create your hearing profile. So that's not going to be on the video, because you won't be able to hear what I'm hearing, which will be a shame. Supposedly it's going to be amazing and mind-blowing. So there's the cable with a little copper, maybe it's gold, connectors for that plug-in, for the charging cable, and let me just see, analog cable, what that is. See there, analog cable. Oh, look at that, how nifty. Okay, that's cool, I like that. So if you still really want to have your headphones connected, plugged in, if you're scared the 5G microchipped vaccine virus for the coronavirus is going to infect you through the Bluetooth airwaves, you can plug it in and plug that into your device. Of course, not on an iPhone because they don't have those plugs. So anyway, so there we go, people. I'm pretty impressed. It all looks lovely, and I will put these suckers on and then yeah, get ready for my mind and my ears to be blown. Thanks very much for watching, and yeah, stay tuned for an update when I have tested these things out. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe.